The dignity of mankind is untouchable.
Carries a heavy load on any scale. Where tip it, flip it, you see good prevails. Who's who, who's you, who's in a crew, going around doing the things you do. Madness turns to sadness with the quickness. Can I get a witness? Who's leading this sickness? Ruthless villains, ruthless killings, ruthless feelings, all a part of your ruthless dealings. Educate the masses. Educate the masses. Educate the masses. Educate the masses. Children die, families suffering, cry. The police say they try, but the body count's too high. You lurk and creep their own, breaking up happy homes. Say one thing, but look what you've shown. Many a man come from foreign lands, but you brutally kill him for your political stand. You're booming tough when you're 10 or 20. Deep boys will be boys and creeps will be creeps. Educate the masses. Educate the masses. Educate the masses.